This shelf has a case of the Weeble Wobbles. In fact, it had already catastrophically failed, which is why it's in my garage for a few repairs. Well, it looks like somebody's sort of done a few things to it, but the main thing is the bottom isn't flat, the screws are loose, and the whole thing is a bit cockeyed when I had it on the workbench. So I'm taking off the back of it, putting in one of the adjustable shelves, and sort of squaring it off because it's also bowed out a lot. Checking the diagonals is how you can tell something is actually square, and this was within a few millimeters in either direction, which is better than when I started. So then I can reattach the back, which will hold it square, and then flip it over and sort out the fact that it's bowed out, which is why the shelf fell out of it. So my solution for this is to put a giant dovetail butterfly on the front of it, and that will hold the shelf together quite sort of tightly and still kind of keep with the old-fashioned rustic look of it. So I can test that it fits on one side and then begin marking out the other side. Dovetails seem to be something that I'm doing more frequently, and I should probably get the proper tools for it, but this is a quick and dirty. I glue it together. Some of the shelf pins are fatigued and bent after years of use, so I replaced them with shiny new ones. Chop up the new wood with some dye stain and a paint pen, and a quick shot of lacquer over the top is about as much restoration as I'm going to do to this. I'm finally fixing the main problem, which is to sort of flatten and square off the bottom, and I do that with a belt sander. The last thing to do before final assembly and delivery is to cut down one of the shelves that's going to fit behind the new butterfly, and with that done, it's ready to go. And yes, that one shelf peg that's in the wrong thing and it's sticking up, I fixed it up before I installed it.